Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to your Bitget wallet. First of all, you need to open your Bitget wallet. Then you need to click the receive in the menu and select USDT. In this case, you need to select the network, which network you want to use. I'm using BNB Smart Chain BIP20 network because it has got the lower fees, so I will send my USDT using BIP20 network. So let's choose the second option. Now we need to copy the wallet address and go to the Binance app. Alright guys, now we need to go to the wallet. On the bottom right, select withdraw, select first option. From here we need to choose USDT and select send via crypto network. In the first gap we need to paste the wallet address we just copied from Bitget wallet. In the second gap we need to choose BNB Smart Chain BIP20 network. In this case we are using this network. And we need to enter the amount of USDT we want to send. Minimum withdrawal amount is 10, so let's send maximum. In this case I have got 17.5 USDT, and as you can see there is network fee which is 10 cent guys, 0.1 USDT, and this is the fixed fee guys. If you send 1000, the fee will be the same guys. So let's click withdraw. If everything is correct, then click confirm. And verify the transaction. Alright guys, we successfully sent our USDT from Binance to our Bitget wallet. Now we need to wait few minutes and I will show you the result. As you can see guys, in just 1 minute we received our money on our Bitget wallet. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.